Have you ever wondered if the secret to weight loss could be locked in hormonal balance? Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's stirring up conversations everywhere. Does HRT help with weight loss? You might be surprised by what science has to say. But before we go further, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for resources that will take your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's get into it. Get rid of it! HRT, hormone replacement therapy, is commonly used to balance hormones, especially in menopausal women. But does it have a secret power in weight management? Let's explore. A study from the Endocrine Society showed interesting links between hormone levels and body weight. Hormones like estrogen and testosterone play crucial roles in regulating body fat and metabolism. So, if your body's hormones are imbalanced, adjusting them might help in managing weight. This is where HRT steps in, aiming to restore hormonal balance. In interviews with individuals on HRT, many report changes in their weight patterns, but experiences vary widely. Some find it easier to gain muscle or lose fat, while others notice different changes. All that said, endocrinologists caution that HRT isn't a one-size-fits-all solution for weight loss. It's complex and individualistic, depending on a myriad of factors including genetics, lifestyle, and the type of hormones used. So if you're considering HRT, the first step is consulting a healthcare provider. They'll evaluate your health history, hormone levels, and discuss potential benefits and risks. Remember, weight loss is multifaceted. Alongside considering HRT, focus on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and mental well-being. It's about the whole picture. In conclusion, while HRT may impact weight management, it's important to approach it with realistic expectations and under professional guidance. Have you found this discussion eye-opening? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our incredible resources in the description and pinned comment below for taking your weight loss journey to new heights.